How to order items on SHEIN. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up your SHEIN application or just navigate to the SHEIN official webpage. Ensure that you are logged into your account. First step to order an item on SHEIN is to select an item that you want to purchase. For an example, I've selected this makeup brush. Tap on the cart icon. You need to select the color and quantity, then tap on Add to Cart. At the top in your right hand side, select the cart icon, then hit the checkout option. From here, you need to select your payment method. Go ahead and select your payment method, then tap on Place Order. Now you need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and you can also set as a default card. Make sure that you have entered your billing address, then just tap on Place Order. And that is how you'll be able to place an order on SHEIN. If you're facing any of the difficulty, tap on the three-line icon and select the headset icon at the bottom. This will redirect you to the customer service or customer support of SHEIN. Now in here, you have to select a prompt that is here. Select any of the prompt, then the bot will help you throughout the question. Isn't it simple? And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.